Okay, so Harbor Freight's having a big sale. So I decided to go up there today to see what I can find. Help me out in the woods. You know, I'm kind of into tarps now, and I saw a couple of things up there that I'm going to tell you about in a minute. And I got some pretty good deals, and I got one thing for free, and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, first thing we got is the 9x12 canvas drop cloth, and I'm going to try to see if I can wheel this around and make a camping tarp out of it. Maybe dye it, a dark color because it's pretty white or kind of beige right now. Maybe dye it a dark color and maybe use some tarp clips on it and waterproof it and stuff. See if I can make camping tarp on it. The only problem is it's a little heavy, so I don't know how it's going to work. It's going to work pretty good. But I got this idea from Carolina Chris. He kind of inspired me. He did a video not too long ago about using a canvas tarp, and I think he made like a modified wheeling tent, and I'm going to put a card to his video right up here so you can go check out Carolina Chris's. All right, so that's what happens when you don't tell your wife you're doing a video and she walks out the door behind you. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna put a card up there to so you can go check out Carolina Chris's latest drop cloth tarp video. It looked really cool. He kind of inspired me, so I'm gonna see what I can make out of this 9x12 canvas drop cloth. The second thing I got is pretty cool item. These are the 4-pack of tarp clips, and they're like 4 clips for $5. I got a pretty good discount on it. When you get them, they look just like this. These are the ones that not the cheap ones. They're the ones that, you know, the screw out and you can adjust the jaws of them. I just put a piece of paracord, you know, with just a lark's head on this side. So when you put it in the, you know, tie it to the tarp, you know, put it on the tarp, then you got some place to put the stakes. So I got the tarp, I got 4 tarp clips, and because I made a purchase, I got for free the nice little Harbor Freight light. It takes 3 AAA batteries, which they have, so they have already in it. So, and this is the LED one. I got a couple of these. So the first click, you get the end light. Click it again, turns it off. Click it again. Ooh. Wow, that's cool. And I got this for free, or free fitty, okay, because I bought something else. So now I'm gonna go get the receipt and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so we got the receipt, and the tarp was $15.50. I got 20% off the tarp because I had the super coupon that they text me. So I got the tarp for $12.39. And I got the tarp clips, because I'm registered with Harbor Freight. They were $5 and something, and I got them for $3.50. Okay, $3.50 ain't bad for 4 clips. Okay, and because I bought something, I got the light for free fitty, 0. So I spent a total of $16.99 at Harbor Freight. So I'm going to pull this, now I'm going to pull this tarp out, and I'm going to string it up in my garage and kind of see what I got. And I'll give you a quick once over of the tarp, and then you can make your own decisions. I'm going to see if I can make a nice camping tarp out of it. So let's go check that out. Okay, so here's what we got. We got the 12-foot section strung up here. You know, it's not the lightest thing in the world. You know, it's not the easiest thing to work with, but you know, it's not bad. Come over here and check this out. We got some really good seams. I don't know whether you can see that too good, but we got some really good seams, and it's got some really tight corners. You know, a couple little threads sticking out there, but I'm pretty sure that when I stick my tarp clip on it, it's gonna bite. So check this out. So here's one of these nifty tarp clips. So we put a tarp clip in there, All right, kind of just split the corner. See if it tightens up. Oh man. Oh, that's going to be so boss. Oh, with these nice little tarp clips. Now you got somewhere to stake out your tarp and make a nice tent out of it. Man, these tarp clips really bite. Sheesh. Come right off. Don't leave a single mark on there. Let's see. All right, so you just put it over the, we're going to put it over the seam. Tighten her up. This is on the flat sides. Oh yeah, man. Oh, that's dope. Put it a little bit. How about right on the seam? Oh man. Oh, this is gonna work great. Wow, that is cool. These tarp clips are worth their weight in gold, especially for something like this. Okay, so here we go. It's kind of smelly. Smells like canvas. And it's kind of nice and beige colored now. This is just strung up in the garage. So that's going to make a huge shelter. 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Here's the tag. 9 by 12, 10-ounce drop cloth. Alright, so that's why it weighs. That's why it's kind of heavy, because it's 10-ounce fabric. Okay. That's pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so here we are with the Harbor Freight Canvas Tarp. Smells like canvas. Smells like an old baseball glove or something. I think it's going to be really nice. It's a little white. It's a little, prominent. I think I'm going to see if I can dye it nice dark green or dark gray or something to break up that white so you can't see it for a ways. And I think it'll be pretty good. So, being canvas, it's the 10-ounce canvas, so it's a little bit heavy, but I think I pack it properly, and I think I can overcome the heaviness of the tarp. But I think when it's all dyed and I waterproof it up, it's going to be a really, really good tarp. Me and Trailblazer Tim, we're going to go out and try to do some work on the new base camp, but Trailblazer Tim is a little under the weather this morning, so we decided to defer it until after spring gobbler season, another couple of weeks, but we're going to finish that base camp pretty soon. So, with my Harbor Freight haul for the day, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy saying, I'll see you on the trail.